What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know I'm showing a little too much skin, but we have a new a new family and something new to the channel, and I want to let you guys know because it's gonna bring great pictures, fun stuff. I'm gonna shut up. Look at it. You guys right know now. I do have a larger drone, a Typhoon 4K camera, but I need something smaller that I can leave on a passenger seat, throw out the window when I want to cruise. It's not gonna be the best quality. 1080p is different. That's what I'm shooting on right now from the iPhone 11, but this is gonna be about 2K, so that's gonna be like, I think over 1080p it pays about 1480, which is good enough. Anything 1080 and up is good enough. Not a lot of people have 4K TV. 4K capability, but their digital TV or their DVD players isn't playing 4K, and you guys enjoy it enough. As long as the pixelations are great, that's all I care about, and this is going to do it justice. Let's go ahead and do a reveal or open up or whatever those tech guys on YouTube typically do anyways. It is pretty packed. Nice, man. We have it right here. This is it itself, thing like that. These look like batteries. I'm guessing those are batteries. This is a charger, and these are gonna be the instructions. Who needs that? All right, let's open these babies up, see what it looks like. I can't hold a camera and open this at the same time, so this is what I'm guessing. This is 3-port charger, and like I said, this is a drone itself. This is a cord, and I don't know what that is, but let's keep pulling things out. Guys, I know I missed out on the rest of the video, but I did get the drone together. I'm going to record some shots for you guys, so we're gonna end the video like that. This is like a day or two later, I apologize. Been trying to move and everything, get stuff done. We also had some new stuff come in. Let me show you that real quick. We have carbon fiber on the dashboard. You guys know the radio mount. We got some more down if you look at the knobs down there. So it's coming, surely. Bree's gonna be driving today, so you know we gotta do a cold start. Go ahead and hit him with a cold start, Bree. Woo. LED lights, don't forget. Hit the brakes. Look at remember those when you hit the brakes? I mean, LED lights everywhere. It's sick, it's amazing.